Hi everyone and welcome to English Spring channel. I'm Mohammad Raza and today we are going to practice grammar in 10 minutes. Before we start, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and let them to learn this grammar. Today we are going to talk about present continuous. In this video, we will focus on function of this grammar and then we will focus on structure, and the last part is practice. Alright, so let's start with functions. The first function is talking about something that is happening right now. For example, I'm speaking. Yeah, for example, you can see that my mouth is, yeah, actually, you guessed it. So, I'm speaking, now. And you are watching this video. Look at the clock on your wall. What do you see? What time is it? Yeah, at that time you are watching this video. These actions are happening at the moment, right? All right. The second function is temporary or in progress. When you want to talk about something that is temporary or in progress, you can use present continuous. For example, she is studying for her exams these days. Mhm. And they are working on a new project this week. These are incomplete actions. They are not completed. Now, let's go to function 3. It is talking about changes has started to happen. For example, taxi fees are increasing. Yeah, for example, you sleep and tomorrow you will realize that the taxi fees um, are increased. Okay, so and you tell your friend the taxi fees are increasing at the moment. Yeah, and the children are growing. hmm Okay, and his father is becoming old. Yeah, for example, my computer is becoming old because uh, I have it actually for 12 years. All right, so uh, and here you can see the words that shows changes like getting, becoming, changing, improving, increasing, growing, rising, falling, starting, and beginning. These verbs actually show the changes. All right, so let's go to function 4. When you want to talk about the near future, it means your plans, especially the fixed plans. hmm Like what? For example, tomorrow I am meeting my friend. Uh-huh. I know the place, I know the time, and also it is something like personal arrangement, right? So, for example, I am meeting my friend tomorrow. It is fixed plan, and my friend knows where we meet each other. Okay, and we are traveling to Los Angeles next weekend, right? So it means in a near future because we have next weekend. These are fixed plans and they are 100% sure. All right, so now let's go to the next part, a structure. The positive structure is this. We need two things, right? The verb to be like am, is, are, and the base verb plus ing, as you saw in examples. Now here more examples. I am eating lunch. He is playing football. They are doing something right now. And we are watching a movie. All right, so Now let's focus on negative structure. All right, we add not. It is easy. For example, I'm not eating lunch, or he isn't playing football. We aren't watching a movie. Okay, so now let's focus on questions structure. All right, so before I tell the examples, can you guess how to uh, make the questions in present continuous? If you know it, just leave a comment and tell me. Uh-huh. All right, let's focus on it. Are you watching? Mm-hmm. Okay, I changed the place of are and you. Yeah, for example, the sentence was you are watching, and I said, are you watching? Hmm? All right, so is she studying? How do you answer that? You say, she does or she is. Absolutely right. She is. For example, yes, she is. No, she isn't. Or yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Okay? So, and WH questions. What are they eating? What are they eating? Just we add WH words at the beginning. Right? So now let's to practice. Okay? Let's go to practices. Look at the first one. Just you have 30 seconds to think about it and say it in your mind, okay? All right, so let's check it out. He is reading a book now, right? Now, look at the second one. You have 3 seconds to think about it. All right, so let's check it. They aren't playing football now. Hmm? Now, look at the third one. All right, let's check it. Are you watching? Uh-huh, this is a question. All right, so now let's have a review. The first function was actions happening now, right? So, for example, I am recording this video for you, my dears. All right, the second was temporary actions. For example, I am doing my homework. It means that I will finish it. Okay? It is temporary, not completed, but it will be finished. Number three talks about changes. For example, I am becoming old. It is a change in my appearance, actually. The fourth one was future plans. For example, I am having a meeting tomorrow. This is a personal arrangement and also it is fixed actually plans for me. All right. And also we talked about how to make positive, negative, and question forms. All right. So now it's your turn. You say it, guys. What are you doing these days? Leave in a comment and tell me what are you doing these days. And if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and like it, please. This is the only way to energize me to make other videos of 10 minutes grammar. By the way, thanks for watching and I appreciate that. Have a nice day and goodbye.